Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems on cube. Problems on cube. Let's see the question here. A 8 centimeter cube is cut into 8 centimeter cube is cut into 2 centimeters cube. 8 centimeters cube is cut into so the new combined surface the new combined surface area of all the the new combined area the all area of all the smaller cubes is measured of all the smaller cubes is measured as a percentage of the surface area the surface area of the original larger cube surface area of the original larger cube. So what is the percentage increase what is the percentage increase surface area of the original cube? What is the surface area of the original cube? Okay, now see here. Now we have to find out the here question. What is given? 8 centimeter cube is cut into 2 centimeters cube. So the new combined surface area of the smaller cubes is measured as a percentage of the surface area of the original larger cube. Now we have to find out the larger cube. What is the larger cube surface area? What is the larger cube surface area? Now how will you calculate the larger cube surface area? Now see here, how will you convert the larger cube surface area? Like a cube is like this. Okay. Now a cube consists of length is equal to a big cube. It's a big cube is 8 centimeters. It is larger cube, right? Length is 8 and breadth is also 8. Now see here, larger surface area is equal to length into breadth into surface area. Here length is equal to 8, breadth is equal to 8, then surface area. There are all 6 faces, right? For a single cube there are 6 faces. Now the 6. Now 8 into 8 into 6 is equal to 8 8 is 64. 64 into 6 is 384. Now we get the answer as 384. Let me see here. Now larger cube surface area is equal to 384. Now again the larger cube here, the new combined surface area of all those small cubes is measured as percentage of the surface area of the original cube. Now we have to find out the smaller cubes, right? Combined surface area of the smaller cubes. Now we have to find out the combined. The larger cube is cut into pieces. Now what is the surface area of that pieces? Now combined surface area of the smaller cubes. The smaller cubes are cutted in the 2 centimeters width, right? 2 centimeters length, right? What is the smaller cube? What is the smaller cube's formula? Smaller cube is equal to big cube by small cube whole cube. Rantina, big cube by small cube, right? Big cube is equal to 8. Here big cube is given, right? Again here small cube is cut, it is 2, right? 8 by 2 whole cube. Now 8 by 2 whole cube is equal to 4 whole cube is equal to 64. The answer is 64. Now larger cube, the surface area is 384, and the smaller cube surface area, combined smaller cube surface area is 64. Now we have to find out the total surface area of all the small cubes, right? Total surface area of all the small cubes. Then we have to find out the total surface area of all the small. Then how will you find out the total surface area of all the small cubes? Okay, now here we get the smaller cubes. Now here get smaller cubes. Total number of smaller cubes is equal to 64. Then the large cube is cut into pieces. It surface area, the number of is ఒక లార్జ్ క్యూబ్ని కట్ చేసినప్పుడు దాన్ని 64 స్మాల్ క్యూబ్స్ లాగా డివైడ్ అయినాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఈ 64 స్మాల్ క్యూబ్స్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్క క్యూబ్ 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్ 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్ 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇస్తో కట్ అయినాయి. 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్లా కట్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు మనము ఈ 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్ క్యూబ్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఈచ్ క్యూబ్ ఇక్కడ ఇది బిగ్ క్యూబ్, ఇది స్మాల్ క్యూబ్ అనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం లార్జర్ క్యూబ్ యొక్క లెంత్, బ్రెడ్త్ ఇంకా సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు స్మాలర్ క్యూబ్ యొక్క లెంత్, బ్రెడ్త్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. లెంత్ ఇంటూ బ్రెడ్త్ ఇంటూ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా సేమ్ 2 into 2 into 6, right? Same 2 into 2 into 6. Here we have seen length of the smaller cube, length of breadth of the smaller cube into faces of the smaller cube. You get total number of smaller cubes is equal to 64, right? 64. Now we are calculate total surface area of the original cube, right? Now we are calculating the total surface area of the all small cubes. Total surface area of the all small cubes is equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 into 6 24, 24 into 64. 24 into 64, how we will get 64 into 24? So for the 16, 25, 256, 128. Okay, then total we get 6, 13, right? 5, 1536. The answer we get is 1536. Now now we get the larger cube and smaller cubes surface area. The larger cube surface area is 384 and the smaller cube surface area is 1536. Then how much it got increased? So what is the percentage increase surface area of the original cube? Original cube kana smaller cube so ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినాయి, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు మనకి 384 ఈజ్ ద ఒరిజినల్ లార్జర్ క్యూబ్. దానికి ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ స్మాలర్ క్యూబ్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినాయి అంటే మనకి 384 into 4 వేసుకుంటే 1536 వస్తుంది. అంటే 4 times ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. బట్ ఇక్కడ 1 time ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది. 384 into 4 times ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే 15, బట్ ఇక్కడ 1 time ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ 1 time ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం 3 times వేసుకున్నాం. 3 into 384. Total how much time it increased? 3 times it increased. That means 300% it got increased. Now the answer is 300%. 300% it got increased. Okay. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching this video.